Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden tiered pIant stand project ideas and home decor interior design So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden tiered plant stands have become increasingly popular in home decor, serving not only as functional displays for plants but also as artistic focal points that enhance the interior design of a space. These stands offer an innovative way to showcase greenery while maximizing vertical space, which can be especially beneficial for small homes or apartments. The versatility of wooden tiered plant stands allows for a variety of designs, styles and finishes, making them suitable for any decor scheme from rustic to modern. Creating a wooden tiered plant stand can be an enjoyable DIY project that allows individuals to express their creativity while adding a functional piece to their home. The first step in designing your tiered plant stand involves determining the dimensions and layout that best suit your space. Consider the available area where the stand will be placed, as well as the types of plants you wish to display. Measuring the height and width of the area will provide a clear guideline for crafting a stand that fits seamlessly into your decor. The tiered design of the stand creates a dynamic look that draws the eye upward, making it perfect for showcasing a variety of plant sizes. You can create multiple layers or shelves, each providing space for different plants, from tall snake plants to trailing vines like pothos or ivy. Incorporating planters of varying heights and widths can add an interesting visual element, creating depth and texture in the display. When choosing materials for your tiered plant stand, wood remains an excellent option due to its natural beauty and durability. The type of wood selected can greatly affect the final design and aesthetic. Reclaimed wood can provide a rustic, weathered look that adds character, while new hardwoods offer a fresh, polished appearance. Softwoods like pine are lightweight and easy to work with, making them a great choice for DIY projects. On the other hand, hardwoods like oak or walnut can provide a sturdy and more upscale finish. Incorporating different finishes can also enhance the overall design of your plant stand. A natural stain can highlight the wood's grain, while paint can be used to create a more vibrant or contemporary look. Consider using non-toxic water-based finishes to ensure safety, especially if the plants will be near young children or pets. Depending on your decor style, you may choose to leave the wood raw for a more organic feel, or you might opt for a sleek, painted design. Once you have determined the materials and finishes, sketching a design is the next crucial step. Visualizing the layout can help you determine how many tiers to include and how the planters will be arranged. Think about incorporating diagonal or angular elements into your design, as these can add an element of modernity. Additionally, consider the overall stability of the stand. Ensuring that each tier is secured and capable of supporting plant weight is essential for functionality. The assembly of the tiered plant stand typically involves cutting the wood to the desired lengths and attaching them securely. Using wood glue alongside screws or brackets can ensure a sturdy construction. Start by creating the base, ensuring it is wide enough to support the vertical elements. The base should be robust. After all, it needs to support the entire structure and the weight of the plants above it. As you build upwards, consider how you will space each tier. A common configuration involves placing each shelf at progressively higher positions, allowing the plants displayed on each level to receive adequate light and airflow. Be mindful of the height of taller plants when arranging your tiers. You want to avoid overcrowding and ensure that each plant can flourish. Incorporating additional features into your tiered plant stand can further enhance its functionality and design. For instance, adding hooks to the sides can provide spots for trailing plants or hanging planters. This addition not only saves space but also creates a layered effect that adds dimension to your arrangement. To make the stand more mobile, consider adding wheels or casters to the bottom. This way you can easily move the stand around to catch the best sunlight or to rearrange your decor. Another captivating aspect of wooden tiered plant stands is their adaptability. Not only do they work indoors, but they can also serve outdoors, such as on a patio or balcony. When building an outdoor stand, it's important to use weather-resistant finishes or treated wood to ensure longevity in varying weather conditions. The tiered design can create a vibrant garden display without taking up too much ground space, allowing for lush greenery to thrive in limited areas. Incorporating a tiered plant stand into your interior design will depend on your overall decor theme. For modern and minimalist spaces, a simple clean-lined stand with a natural or light finish may blend seamlessly into the aesthetic. On the other hand, if you embrace a more eclectic or bohemian vibe, consider a multi-tiered stand with bold colors, intricate carvings, or unique materials that correspond with your style. Styling the plant stand to complement your existing decor is an important consideration. Use decorative planters that harmonize with the colors and materials in the room. Terracotta pots can add a rustic touch, while modern metal planters can introduce sleek elegance. Mixing various planter styles can reflect an eclectic spirit, so feel free to experiment based on your personal taste. Beyond just plants, you can use tiered stands to display other decorative items, creating a multifunctional decor piece. Incorporate books, candles, or small sculptures between plants to create an engaging focal point. This approach allows for personal storytelling and enhances the visual appeal of the stand. Combining greenery with curated decor increases the overall warmth of the space, making it feel more inviting. The tiered plant stand can play a significant role in air quality improvement, making it an excellent addition to home health and wellness. Many houseplants are known for their air-purifying properties, and a well-designed stand allows for organized and flourishing green life. Plants like snake plants, peace lilies, and ferns can thrive in various lighting conditions while enhancing the indoor environment. In homes with children or pets, tiered plant stands provide a sense of elevation, allowing plants to be displayed out of reach while still being accessible for care. This arrangement can create a beautiful visual, as well as serving a functional purpose by ensuring the safety of plants that may be toxic if ingested. The flexibility of tiered plant stands offers the potential for seasonal redecorating. As seasons change, consider swapping out plants to reflect the mood of the time of year. Bright, colorful blooms can bring joy in spring and summer, while earthy-toned foliage can create a cozy feeling in the fall and winter months. Using the tiered stand as a seasonal focal point can keep your decor fresh and engaging. Beyond aesthetic appeal, embarking on a tiered plant stand project can also be a fulfilling experience, blending creativity with craftsmanship. As you work through the design and construction process, you will not only improve your woodworking skills but also delve into the therapeutic aspects of crafting. Building with your hands creates a sense of accomplishment and pride as you create a unique piece tailored to your home. Completing the project doesn't yield the end of its usefulness. Rather, it opens up opportunities for ongoing care and interaction. Tending to the plants on your tiered stand provides a chance for mindfulness and connection to nature, even within indoor living spaces. Caring for plants nurtures responsibility and fosters growth, both literally and metaphorically, allowing individuals and families to engage in the natural world. In the realm of sustainability, using reclaimed wood for your tiered plant stand aligns with eco-friendly principles, allowing you to repurpose materials and reduce waste. The process embodies a conscious commitment to environmental stewardship while creating a stunning decor piece. Additionally, incorporating plants aligns with the ethos of nurturing life and promoting a healthier home, enhancing both aesthetics and ecological wellness. In summary, wooden tiered plant stands are a remarkable project idea offering a blend of creative expression, functionality, and design enhancement for home interiors. From determining materials and finishes to constructing and styling the stand, this project allows individuals to immerse themselves in the rewarding experience of crafting a unique piece of home decor. As a versatile addition to any interior design scheme, tiered plant stands not only provide an elegant way to showcase plants but also foster a deeper connection to nature, promoting health, aesthetic appeal, and a sense of accomplishment. With endless design possibilities and the potential for personalization, wooden tiered plant stands are sure to elevate the interiors of any home, making them a cherished addition to modern decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.